Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blast Royale token. Ticker symbol is Noob, and this token is getting probably a bunch of brand new big central exchange listings starting November 13th. I saw a really big one pop up today or yesterday. And we're going to go over the information on the Blast Royale Noob token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you could find their webpage at blastroyale.com. Real easy to find that. You could there you could see a full white paper. You could find a go to Blast Hub, partners section, gameplay, download, community section. It says the next generation of Battle Royale is here, putting players and community first. You can get the game on Google Play. There's a link for that. Download from the App Store or download the Android APK. Blast your way, become a contender, and fight against other players in a fast-paced mobile Battle Royale survival match. And they have different videos you could watch on their webpage. The one that pops up here is the Beta Season 8 video you could watch. So it says, you own the battlefield, trade equipment, and create custom builds to suit your playstyle. Plan, strategize, and dominate the battlefield. Now you could use these items. Who you share them with is up to you. Your community. Hang out with your friends, compete in tournaments, engage in leagues, become a meme lord. The choice is yours. Have a blast and become part of the amazing super engaged Blast community wherever you are. And they have a Discord you could join on their webpage. They also have links to other socials. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. It says, developed by First Light Games, the new wave gaming studio operating on the cutting edge of Web3 technology. We understand that players should truly own their games and be involved in the process of the creation. You help steer the roadmap. You influence what happens next. They're partners here with Animoca Brands, Mechanism Capital, Merit Circle, Dragonfly Capital, etc., etc. Tons of partners. They have tons of socials, Discord, Telegram, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all at the bottom of their webpage. And it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed November 13th, 12 o'clock p.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. So one way to get this token would be to download Gate from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on gate.io on your PC. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Then when the token gets listed, go into the trade section and search Noob, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, as it gets closer to November 13th, if you follow the Twitter right here, I'm sure they're going to announce other listing announcements for other central exchanges and ways to get the token. So if Gate is not available in your country, or you just don't want to use Gate or a central exchange for some reason, follow the socials here, and they will give you more updates and info about listings. So their roadmap here for 2025, it says exclusive L2A for holders, second airdrop for holders, connect wallets in-game. They're going to have Web3 tournaments with sponsorships, in-game cosmetics and tradable NFTs, open marketplace in-game, Noob governance. So the token, the Noob token, will be used as a governance token in 2025. Then NFT rentals, global launch, new NFT collection airdrop to holders, and then they're going to come out with their second Blast game. So they just updated this new 2025 roadmap and they stuck it on Twitter there. You could see an announcement about that. Their Telegram is at Blast Royale and has 6,726 subscribers. That's going to be another great place to see updates about this project. So, Blast Royale is a mobile top-down battle royale game for the Web3 generation. We're going to onboard the next billion players onto the blockchain through fun. By owning Noob, you are all going to become pros. A game for gamers by gamers, owned by gamers. The next gen of Battle Royale is here, putting players and community first, and you could download it on iOS and Android. We bring high quality, fun experiences to the blockchain and help gather mainstream web adoption, Web3 adoption. Players fully own their assets and can actively participate in the game ecosystem. The project is part of a next generation of web video games in which players help shape the future of the games that they love. You can participate in the Blast Royale Blastverse in many ways, including playing matches against real players, progressing to complete goals such as the Battle Pass, completing events by participating in the unique and fun activities, trading items that you can earn by playing the game, being a creator that actively contributes to the ecosystem, taking part in the community activities and helping the Blastverse to evolve. Your skills are crucial to bring you big rewards from competing in leagues and leaderboards and progressing through them over time, engaging in special events that are designed for players to show off their proficiency in the game, winning tournaments where participants contribute to the prize pool, becoming a professional player. And those feeling lucky and adventurous, there will be many ways to test that by participating in fun events, where even the tiniest entry can be a win, playing mini games that will pop in from time to time to surprise you, catching limited giveaways that we will air to our engaged community. So, Battle Royale is designed for the community at its core. The team will be responsible for developing and distributing assets, but the community influence will feature the roadmap, gameplay, feedback, and future updates. So go check out this token. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the Blast Royale Noob token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.